In this video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at the non-reset Clerk error message on the XE-A207 register. This error message is happening in the programming mode when we're trying to add new operators to the machine. So CL will clear the error message. I've got 5 operators on there at the moment, and if I try and add a 6th operator, I keep getting this non-reset Clerk error message. The solution to the problem, or the cause to the problem, is that the Clerk menu has open sales or open sales files within them, so we need to go and run a report in the X1Z1 mode. It's really straightforward, and I'll show you how to do it now. First of all, you need to press escape cancel until you return to the main total screen, then mode and arrow down to X1Z1 mode, TLNS to enter, and then we choose resetting, Clerk menu, all Clerk, and it will run the Clerk report file. We can now escape cancel to get back to the main screen, and then re-enter the program mode, setting, personnel, Clerk, and now when we try and program operator 6, it lets us. For more information on the XE-A207 and other Sharp cache registers, you can click on the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.